Oh my gosh, it's me again and it's you again, and I'm so happy that you are here tuning in and seeing this look. Welcome to my channel, guys. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. My name is JIHAN Drummond. I'm really happy that you guys finally made it to this video and to my channel. If you are new, please hit that subscribe button. Also, don't forget to hit that bell to get notified when you see this face in a new video. Hit the like button. Please leave all your beautiful comments and suggestions for my next video down below. I love this look. I'm so happy with how it came out. It was really a surprise to me that it turned out this way. That's the look, y'all. I love you guys and enjoy the video. It was something completely different at first and then turned into this, but it's okay because it finally came together and I'm so excited. And I got my palm tree background to tell you guys what I did underneath my eye. All I just did was put this first lid color under. I used enlight to highlight my brow bone. For cheeks, I did a combo, so I had formate and red pepper, and I literally used a dab of red pepper just to give me a little bit more color, because this was just blended in a little too much. Both Marc Jacobs J'adore and Mahogany. Mahogany I used on the outside, and J'adore I used on the inner part of my lip. And this is how I'm looking. For my inner corner, I went back in to the JACKLYN Hill palette, and I used color for the very first time, and it's called Queen. And then that's the look, y'all. So much. This is the final look.